What's good, guys? In today's video we're gonna be installing a bunch of Megan Racing suspension parts on the GS300. We got front sway bars, tension rod, front tension rod, rear tension rod, front RCAs. What else? Oh, the front strut bar. On the last video you saw, I got Megan Racing front pipe for the exhaust. I got like a bunch of Megan Racing parts. At this point they should just sponsor me, but I'm at work right now. I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna go to the shop to get most of them installed because I do need, I definitely need a wheel alignment after I do the RCA and all the suspension parts. So after I get to the shop, get those installed, I'm probably gonna head to the stand shop to get a wheel alignment. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's install these parts.
Mate, you're still a child of God. You're still pure, bro. That's good. That's very good in God's eyes, man. It's hands down for me, bro. That's really good.
Forget sometimes your people exist, to tell you the truth.
I got front sway bars, control arms, front tension rod, and RCAs. We're gonna be changing all that. Oh, I also got a strut bar, but I'll change that at home when I get back home. And for now, we're gonna install these. I'm not gonna record it because it's gonna take a long time. So once it's installed, I'll come and show you guys what it looks like. These are the Megan Racing RCAs. I know I have to do a wheel alignment after I install all of these. So yeah. Yeah, the stock one. Damn, look at the way he handles the bar.
Minutes later.
Alright guys, you could see that the RCA is on already. We did the sway bars. It's just there, but gotta bolt that on. Now we're gonna do the tension rod and the control arm real quick. Alright guys, here's all the Megan Racing suspension parts. We have the front tension rod, the RCAs, the sway bar. That's it for the front, and for the back we have this is the rear tension rod. I forgot. This was done a long time ago. This is the first thing I did when I got the car, because the one that was on the car was kind of broken. Not really, the bushing was messed up, that's all. But I don't know what we're gonna do next. Oh yeah, also the strut bar on up top. But for down here, this is all the Megan Racing suspension parts. So yeah, we literally have every single Megan part possible, suspension wise, on this. I think we're still gonna get the Megan Racing coilovers, but for now we're just gonna install this. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm just gonna put WD-40 on these first because it's kind of rusted. Alright. And both sides, they're 14 millimeters.
It's time on space, I'm cutting off ties and getting my loot. Cats don't have to, you gotta move fast, I got it.
2 seconds later.
So how they sent you, it might not be aligned, so I suggest taking this out, the bar, and taking these and align these first. Just like that. So the pointed direction goes to the other side, like that. Then you can take the metal rod, then you take your hard wire, put this in, put that in. Getting there. Make sure you have your washers on both sides. Let me do the other side.
Oh, it barely clears it. Well, the hood vents. I think we have to take out the spacers.
Let's see.
Yeah, that's it. We might have to take the spacers out. Yeah, because let's see.
That's flat. That's flat.
That's not flat.
That's not flat?
No. So it would go down more. You need to just mock it.
I think we're good. It falls in the gap.
Wait, it
You
does?
can see it. Look, it falls in the gap. Let me show them. So our hood vent's clear because it falls in the gap. That's cool. Alright, hold this. Wait, I'm still gonna lock it.
Oh yeah, it does fit. Oh, it's oh god.
Touching, right?
Yeah, it's like when you tighten it up. Yeah, this is like
Good enough. To make my life easier, I'm gonna take out the fuse box, both of these, so I can move it around a little more. The whole reason I'm doing this is because the car came with spacers, strut bar spacers, I guess. So I'm taking that out so I have a little more space, so it clears my hood vents. So yeah, that's the whole reason I'm doing this. I'm not sure if these are spacers, but hey, it's going away. I'm gonna clean all the old gunk away.
Proof. This shit not forever. When Jonathan died, I was my living proof. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn.
There goes that, and then get that side. Sure, don't forget the washer. And boom. We're gonna put the bolts back on. Oh, we should see how much it clears.
I'm gonna push it down a little. Still has space.
Stay. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Wait, the drill machine.
Right. And that. What the hell? So it's better with the spacers? Oh, is there something else?
No, something's probably catching it. Do it again.
Oh. I think I was just in the line.
Oh yeah.
Oh, now it's fine, right?
Now it's barely clearing the.
No, it's perfect. It's not
Yeah,
touching
yeah.
anything.
It's not touching anything. The
Boy,
spacers did.
I like how it looks. Like Carl.
Yeah.
Corner one, you have to use extension. I'm using a gun. You could do it by hand too.
Earn that shit. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to.
12 seconds later.
So at the end, they just add this plastic wrap so you don't scratch it when you're installing it. I mean, we kept it on until we put the whole thing on, so you could just start peeling it off.
Earn that shit. Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me.
So the bolts on top are 15. I have to do it like this because it broke. Shout out Harbor Freight. Oh, wait.
They be plotting on me, they plotting. Yeah, it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting. Even though.
And voila. And the next mod for the engine bay would be, I think I'm gonna relocate the battery in the trunk and put an oil catch can over here. And other than that, we're gonna do dress up bolts everywhere because all these bolts are rusted. But for the engine bay, that's gonna be it. And now I'm gonna do the roof spoiler and the rain visors. I think the rain visors get double-sided taped over here on the door seals. So, yep, let's get to that. I'm gonna clean it with the microfiber towel and some spray. For the fitment, line this up with the door line right here. I suggest getting another hand because this would be helpful. So line that up first and then you can see where it goes. Just have it along the edge. So I'm gonna take that off. Take the 3M out real quick. This takes a while because 3M. If it's easier for you, you could take half off and then you could pull it out later. So I'm gonna need the cameraman's hand. So we'll cut back to it when we're done installing it. Here's the back side. Doesn't look too bad. We're gonna do the front side. It says Lexus on it. Boom. So yeah, it's gonna go right there. So here's what the rain guards look like. I just realized this is apply to Lexus. So I'm just gonna cover up the Lexus and let me focus. I'm gonna cover up Lexus and take out apply to and PKV. So it's just gonna say Lexus. Yeah, good enough. Or I could just take the whole thing off and make like Lexus decals and put the Lexus decals on. Alright guys, we're gonna take a break on this real quick and we're gonna go to Seoul the street because they're parting out a GS300 and I need some parts for the GS, so we're gonna go get that real quick. Came to Seoul the street to get some parts for the GS. They were parting out one, so why not? They're just keeping the motor and everything else was for part out, so I took what I needed. So yeah, hit up Seoul the street if you need anything welded, any welding job, dyno tunes, anything, literally just hit them up. They should be able to help you. So yeah.
Walked through the valley, shadows of death. I looked up to the sky, the light beaming, forgot I'm blessed. Passing by the tree, see the eyes appear on my left. Breathe out on my face.
Alright guys, it got a little too late. So tomorrow I'll go to the stand shop. But first, I think in the morning, we gotta go look at a car because we need a new daily. So let's see what happens. Sorry if I seem tired. I've been up all night to go look at a car to find a new daily. But the car was messed up. Didn't end up buying it. But right now we're at a stand shop to get a wheel alignment on the GS. I'm with my brother. So yeah, I'm waiting for this M5 to be done. Then we're next. Also my boy Abdullah is here with his Maxima. He's getting his lowering strings installed. So yeah.
See the ghost, I pay for my bread. Nigga, I didn't even make it nowhere that far. Hating niggas watching, we know that part. Tryna kill my vibe, they're tryna kill my yard. Hand right on the handle, knife in my heart. Let me be me, I wanna be me. Just let me be me, I wanna be me, yeah. I know I'm blonde, but I'm as kind as I can be, yeah. I can't let you put one off and skirt on me, no. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn that shit. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting. Yeah, it's hard to trust.
That's the before. Gotcha. Still direct on 10th of a degree off. Don't worry about it.
That's good, that's good.
Still straight like a bullet out here, man. Good.
Fire. I will. Alright guys, thank you.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thanks for the amazing wheel alignment.
Alright guys, if you need any aftermarket stuff done, hit up Keith on Stand Shop.
Appreciate it, bro.
Pop tag right there. You guys can't go wrong right here. Professional work.
Good luck.
Somebody, say that's what you need, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting. Rest in peace, John Joe.